Hello everyone, myself Dr. Seema Rathi from School of Law and Legal Studies, Sage University, Bhopal. My today's video lecture is on contingent contract. Meaning, contingent means conditional, dependent on an uncertain event or circumstances, a thing that may or may not occurring by chance. Now, definition. Section 31 defines the definition of contingent contract. Section 31 is a contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen. Now, illustration. A contracts to pay B rupees 10,000 if B's house is burnt. This is contingent contract. There are some important points regarding contingent contract. Section 31 posits that a contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract, that is, not covered by the reciprocal promises in the contract, does or does not happen. In such a contract, the liability to perform shall only arise or shall cease on the happening of some future event which may or may not happen. It may also arise on one of the parties doing or abstaining from doing some act. Where the liability does arise on the happening of the contingency or the performance of the condition is termed a condition precedent. In a contingent contract, there must be a contract to do or not to do something on the happening or not happening of a certain event. That event must arise outside the essential elements of the contract, that is collateral to such contract. Next heading is where enforcement depends upon the happening of an event. Now, section 32 provides that contingent contracts to do or not to do anything if an uncertain future event happens cannot be enforced by law unless and until that event has happened. If the event becomes impossible, such contracts become void. Illustrations. A makes a contract with B to buy B's horse if A survives C. This contract can't be enforced by law unless and until C dies in A's lifetime. There is another example, that is, A makes a contract with B to sell a horse to B at a specified price. If C, to whom the horse has been offered, refuses to buy him, the contract can't be enforced by law unless and until C refuses to buy the horse. Next example is A contracts to pay B a sum of money when B marries C. C dies without being married to B. The contract becomes void. Thank you.